Hello once again, it's Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures, and today I brought my son along with me and he's dressed as Chucky. We're in Gettysburg. We're doing the Creature Features weekend and we're going to get some autographs from some actors. Two guys that played Leatherface, another guy that played on Jeepers Creepers, and some Halloween guests, different actors. So follow us on this adventure for our Halloween special in October as we do Creature Feature Weekend in Gettysburg. Follow us. So we're sitting here waiting for the time to go in at 5 o'clock. Right now it's probably about 20 till before we can get in. But I did want to show you my canvas painting I got that I'm going to have signed. This is from Children of the Corn. Both of these characters, Isaac and Malachi, are going to be here, plus the director of Children of the Corn. So I'm going to try to get all three of their autographs on this canvas. I have my Creature Features ticket here. It cost me $30 and my son gets in for free because 10 and under with a paid adult gets in free. And I also got two masks that I brought along with me. I brought in a Leatherface mask to get autographed by two Leatherface actors, and I also brought a Jeepers Creepers mask for that actor to sign. Plus there's a bunch of actors from the movie Halloween that's going to be here, different Halloween movies. There's a total of like 10 or 11 autographs I'm getting. So sit back and follow us on this adventure and we'll be going in soon. Well, folks, we're inside and we're looking around a little bit right now. There's Chucky.
Chucky and his wife.
They got prints for $10, 11 by 17. There's Michael Myers.
Oh my God, look! It's Pokemon.
Pokemon.
Let's go.
Might have to get my son one of them before we leave.
We really want that.
Well, if I got the money, we'll get it. Go take a look around here before we get our autograph. We got plenty of time. The creepy little doll here.
The Monster Mania is only a month away from this.
We'll look around more when we get done. I want to get my autographs out of the way and then we can look around. Got some really neat stuff here. Them are really good. I like those. Thank you. They got action figures.
Yeah, all of our figures are very limited runs.
Right, I know the. I read about the.
Yeah, the Creeper was limited to 10.
Yeah.
We've already sold a couple of him already.
Yeah.
These are limited to 30s. All of our other characters.
Right. How much are your action figures?
For cast are 115.
Okay.
Predator 120. And we release new characters usually once a month.
Okay.
Follow us on Facebook or Instagram.
All right.
We do announcements.
That one has good.
Okay.
I just noticed.
I might have to get some in the future because I'm a big collector. More DVDs. Planet of the Apes. They have pillows for sale. Trying to get my son into this. My son's starting to like this stuff now. The creepy dolls. Look at the teddy. Look at the teddy bear. Yeah, it's a creepy Taz.
Oh my God, the minion.
Yeah, these are really cool.
Hey guys, how y'all?
All right, look at that one. Got a knife in him. The teddy bear there.
That doesn't have a head.
Yeah. Look, that one don't either. Look at that teddy bear over there. It don't have a head.
His head's down there.
That's great. There's another Chucky. Look. Look, there's Chucky.
How are you guys?
All right.
Awesome compliment. Good guy.
Man, these guys are good, aren't they? Really good drawers.
That's the price point trick or treat I had. All my trick or treat stuff, we
Look
stay on
at the mask
same
up
price.
there. That's some cool masks.
But the thing for me,
Yeah,
you don't have any
action
taxes
figures.
unless it's a card. Of course, you don't have any shipping.
Look, Michael Myers
how
was
all
a
that
popcorn.
Yeah, look at the Godzilla.
On Godzilla,
Oh
yeah.
God, there's a dragon mask. Oh, that's a gremlin.
Yeah.
There's a gremlin.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a gremlin right there.
Oh, them are cool for them. Got some gremlins.
Yeah, I just picked up that trick or treat right now.
Right. They got authors that wrote books.
Hi, how are you?
How you doing?
All right. Yeah, like the King Kong you got.
The figure, I still have the figure too.
Look at these masks. Look at these weapons. Look at them bag. Cool, right?
Tell him to pick that up. Let's see if he can lift it.
See if you can lift that.
Yeah, I cannot
We'll
lift.
try. See if my son can lift this.
Hey, look. Want to see something really cool?
Look, watch this.
Easy peasy travel.
Yeah, that's cool, man.
Hey, if there's something that you're curious about, feel free to pick it up, ask questions, get a better look. I'm happy to answer everything. 'Cause
Some cool
everything here-
masks.
Everything here, the masks, the props, everything, all done by hand and most of it from scratch.
Okay. Yeah, we'll be back around. I just wanted to get a quick walkthrough from my YouTube channel and get some autographs. Then I'm gonna come back and look around.
I hear you. I figured seeing that would be cool for the channel.
So yeah, we're gonna walk over and try to get some autographs now. So follow us.
Start filming.
Is that moving? So let's go in and get autographs. Is the time moving there on the camera? Is it moving?
Yeah, it's moving.
Okay. I want to make sure my camera was on.
What's the time?
Huh?
Was the time moving? Is that what you asking?
Got all the actors here.
Chucky's in the building. Watch out for Chucky.
He's seen you. So I'm going around getting all the autographs. And quite a few. There's Jonathan Breck from Jeepers Creepers. There's Courtney Gaines over there from Children of the Corn. So there's quite a few people that we want to get autographs from. There's Eileen Diaz from Planet of the Apes over there. Different people and different actors. So I'm going to turn the camera off for now, and we're going to go around and get some autographs. So thank you very much for joining us, and I hope you're enjoying this vlog. So we're still standing in line to get Malachi's autograph. We already got Isaac's autograph, and we got the director. This is Isaac's, that's the director's. I'm gonna have Malachi sign on this side. There's Jonathan Beck right here. He played Jeepers Creepers. We're eventually gonna get over to him. Along many others. Look at the giant skeleton, Forbes. What do you think of that? Was it? So, right. We got the two leather faces over there. We're going to get their autograph. And among others. So he played in Halloween too, I guess. So follow us as we continue with our adventure. Thank you. So we got all our autographs, and we're just looking around now. My son wants to pick out a souvenir while he's here. Got some really neat stuff. Where was that? You seen that thing you liked? Was that down here?
I didn't even get pizza. I read the sheets, but I got to talk to my buddy. I was late and I set up my
Oh, we're just having a look around.
I'm here with my baby.
Was it here? Let's see if he still has it. Right.
Yeah, this year we can't do. It's right smack over like the hardest date. It's right there. That's a
Buddy of mine
it's a killer window.
signing at Oregon, and
Yeah, they do have shirts.
Michael Todd is one of them.
So we're gonna look around, let my son decide what he wants to get, and we'll be right back. Alright folks, we're done here at this event, and I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. I'm showing you some of the stuff we got. My son got him a Pokemon shirt, and a Pokemon poster. I got me some autographs from all the Halloween movies. I got a friend, Jeepers Creepers. He's going to pay me for that one. Most of the autographs here are Halloween except for the Children of the Corn, which we got too. So I just wanted to show you everything we got, all the autographs, which are really cool for my collection. I'll have to show you a video of my my man cave and all the autographs I have eventually. So in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this vlog with me and my son. That's Chucky today, and I have my Casual Friday shirt on, and I like to wear to these horror cons. And this has been Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures. Please subscribe to my channel if you're watching this. Hit the notification bell up in the right hand corner to let you know when we upload a new video. Please feel free to leave comments, suggestions of other videos you'd like to see in the future. Till then, go out and have your own adventures and enjoy life. This has been Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures, and my son Forbes with me. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Till next time, goodbye.